Welcome to day 19 of Waxvent.
Oh,
hello, you lovely people. This is my patient again, and you can see we've got this kind of deep, quite narrow, sort of just really awkward one to do. We've got the standard size Zollner tube here. Now you can't really see what's going on a great deal here. Yeah, we've got quite a narrow, but it's a little bit bendy as well. So we're trying to get a good grip on this this kind of plug of, like, well, it's a bit of a mixture of skin and wax in this one, really.
It's quite an angular piece of wax as well, isn't it?
Yeah, the ear canal's kind of doing this as well. It's just an overall really awkward one to do. There was a tiny gap around the wax, so the patient was having some slight hearing issues, but could just about still hear what was going on. So we've got the standard size on the tube here, and I'm trying to bunch some of this plug in together just to try and get a better grip, really, just to try and get this out a little bit easier.
It's not an ideal angle, that top section, is it?
No.
It's that awkward, slightly clay type wax.
Yeah. So you can see that the standard size Zollner tube is actually, it's not very big when you see it in person. And when you compare it to this ear canal, it doesn't look very narrow on the actual screen here, but yeah, trying to do it is a different a different thing altogether.
That's twice that I've used that same battle.
I know, it's your...
It's going to get jealous.
I must have run out. But I'm just trying to draw it forward slightly, so I'm just trying to get similar to what I did a couple of videos ago when I got right behind it. You can see I'm just shearing this little like trench straight through the center. You can see it there at the bottom.
Look at that.
It's so soft. It's so soft, yet weirdly we can't get a grip with the suction. It's one of those really awkward consistencies to do.
It is that really odd consistency. It just doesn't want to come away particularly well, does it?
No. So we got the Jobson horn in here now, just to try and get a better overall grip, because obviously the St. Bart's hook was just going straight down the center of it. It wasn't really taking much away. You can see this humidity now just starting to come from behind this plug. So this is where we've started to pull it forwards. We normally see that where there's a lot of heat, a lot of moisture that's building up behind like a plug of wax. It's a bit of a nightmare, because anytime you go near the ear canal, it just steams up straight away.
You can see the difference as you come away. You drop it back. That humidity just disappears. It's awkward because it's kind of hanging on, isn't it? It doesn't want to come away easily. You can see the humidity coming back in again there.
Yeah.
I think if we were any deeper than that very outer portion of the canal, I'd be a bit more sort of tentative about going in.
Oh yeah. But we're actually we're quite close to the entrance of the ear here. So I know the vision is not great on this one here, but the only way really of getting rid of that consistency is if I did pop back in with a suction tube. That usually would get rid of most of it, but oh, there we go, look at that. That's a good little pull we had there. Yeah, really awkward one to do that. Bit of a strange sort of shape, and it's still coming.
Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? Fair play.
This is a pretty beastie. Look at that. So we got a pretty decent amount that's come out there, and we got this tiny little pebble that's left in there.
Little nugget of coal that's left in the other than that, though, it's looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, surprisingly, because I honestly thought this was going to be a bit of a mess behind what we just removed, but just got this little bit left on the top here. A little bit of tidying up to do now. Patient's again feeling a lot better as soon as that's come away.
Look at that, it's almost out.
Yeah. Bit awkward to do these last little bits there now, so obviously patient's happy. Similar this side. I mean, we can see the eardrum to start with. There's nothing really of concern or trouble.
I'll show the patient that, and they'll still decide, I want it done, even though we say, it's not really blocking anything up. Bit of oil that should come out on its own, and they'll elect to still have it done, won't they?
Yeah, we get it quite a lot. Or it's normally if they've travelled a little bit, they thought, we're here now, we might as well get it done. Yeah, there we are. Come away quite nicely. There you go.
Eardrum looking fab.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh gosh, it just
bunched it all together.
Inch and a quarter.
3 centimeters, but if I laid that all out long ways, that'd probably been about 6, I would have said.
You would have got off a ruler, Tim. You would have got off a ruler.
Meter
Thank you very much for watching day 19 of Waxvent. We're down to the last few days now, guys. We're nearly at the end, unfortunately. But if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way then you get even more videos as well. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you again for day 20. Bye, everyone.
Bye.